Hey guys, welcome back again for another video. Okay, so we just gonna roll with this. Don't mind the shirt. This is the third video with the same clothing, same setup in the background. I'm just rolling out these videos, guys. I'm trying to get my unboxings done because I had so many packages built up. So, third video is charm. If you want to see what I'm unboxing, please stay tuned and keep watching. Alright guys, welcome back for another one. Alright, so this unboxing I have for this video is from the Doux. So, I was on Instagram the other day and they was advertising that they had a sale. And I just had to go in on the sale because this is one of the products I actually been wanting for a minute. And I was waiting on the sale. And she had a sale. So let's show you this box. Well, the Doux. Yeah, that's my box, guys. Let's open this baby up. Alright. So we got our thank you card from the Doux. I just love this color. This is so pretty. We got our package list. Okay, so on this special they had a buy two, get one free. Am I right? Two, get one free. I believe that's, yeah, buy two, get one free. And I ordered an extra one to start my collection of, how you say this? Once I hit a certain amount of subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. So, I'm going to show you guys a sneak peek of what's going to be on that giveaway. And then she had a sale on the other two items. And let me show you them and I'll tell you what I got. So the first item I got, ta-da! A pick, guys. I got a pick. This one was on sale for $8. I like it so much. It's so cute. She had this other pick that she came out with, and I think it was like a multicolored pick. And that pick was just so cute. And I missed out on that one. And she didn't keep that on her website to sell it. Like, again, it was a special edition item. And I missed out on that one. And I liked it, that one. It's so pretty. And then I saw this one. I'm like, oh, it's so cute. I'm going to get that one. Because the reason why I wanted to get this one because the material is made with. And the other pits I have, which is, it's like the, you know, the black bottom with the metal in here. And every time I buy those things, the metal rusts. And it's really painful for the kids, like when I pick their hair out. And I wanted to try this one, see if it's a lot better. So yeah, I don't have to worry about the rusting part. And yeah, I just want to see if it's better. This part right here is very strong. This one is like, you know, movable. So we'll be trying it out soon and see what we think. So that's the first thing I ordered. This is so cute. So I love the detail on this. Very nice. And then the second one I ordered, the second item I ordered is the cow brush. It looks like a cow brush. Well, it goes with the wool line, the deep conditioner. And it's black and white. I think it's just so pretty. And it says, do you, baby. Well, I don't say baby, but it says do you. And this is a detangling brush. How many detangling brushes I have? I know I have a lot. I know, guys. But this one is so pretty. I like it a lot. The color. And it was on sale for $8, you guys. Yeah. So I got those two on sale for $8. And then the one that I've been waiting on, like waiting on, is these. And let me just show you guys the colors. They're so pretty. And I love the packaging they came in. I love this. I love this. This is just so awesome. And it's got the Doux on it. And these are called, let me just make sure I got a name right. They're called Doux tubes, hair scarves. And I think that is just, they're just so cute. And I love the colors. And this one, I ordered 2 of these. So I bought 2 of the same color. And I got one free, one of these free. And I bought the other one because it was on sale for $12. So yes, this one is going to be in my giveaway package box. Whenever I don't know how many subscribers I'm trying to reach before I do a giveaway. I think maybe it'll be 100, or maybe I'll wait until I get the big one, which is 1,000 subscribers. I don't know, guys. I'm trying to figure it out. So when I figure it out, I'll let you guys know. But this is gonna be in my giveaway box. So you guys share me out. Share me out. Let's get those subscribers up so I can do this giveaway. I'm so excited. I know I'm planning ahead. But yep, this is going to be in the giveaway box. A sneak peek, guys. So, I want to open up this and I want to try it out. Yeah, let's do this color, the plum. So, I love how this is packaged. It's so pretty. I just love it. And then this is basically a hair scarf. Okay, so I'm not the best at this. But we're going to do this together, okay? We're going to do this together. So since my hair is already in a high puff, I'm just going to put it over my head. So, yeah, just roll with it, guys. Let me take my glasses off. And try this out. Oh, that reminds me. You can also wear these things as a face shield, a face mask, and it's breathable. The material is so nice, so you can do that. Or what I'm gonna do is just put, oh, this is so pretty. Well, you don't have to do like that. Let's just bring it down some. Kind of go in my shirt, y'all. Look at that girl. Oh, she's styling that pink. What? I'm so silly. Or you can actually just bring it down some more and just leave that whole puff out. And just bring it up. You guys, if you guys see stuff falling on my hair, it's because my hair needs a good washing. And yeah, just good washing. So yeah, I gotta look and just see how I can just style this up some more. But I just like it. It's just so pretty. And it's not made out of satin, it's made out of I believe microfiber. And I was looking up online, trying to do my little research on microfiber and satin. And I keep getting like mixed reviews on that. Like I keep getting like satin is better and microfiber isn't. Then I got microfiber is good and it's better than, you know, satin. So yeah. But I just like this. I think this is just so cute. So yeah, so I got that one in plum, and I got the black and white one, and then I have the, I think it's called, I don't know the color of this one, but like the green blue. I don't know what blue that is, guys, but you see it. So yeah. So this color is the one I have the Esh one in. I just thought this color is just so beautiful. And I thought this would be a great color to put in the giveaway box. So that's why I got the plum one. Even though I thought about doing the black and white one. But I just like this color so much. So I that's it for this video, you guys. So please share me out. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this content, and leave me a comment down below. I love talking to you guys in the comments. Please drop me a comment. If you are subscribed to my channel, you guys, please let me know down below that you are a part of the family, a part of the team, because I'm trying to write down all of my subscribers so I can, know who my subscribers are. And I also want to come back and I want to subscribe to you guys as well. I think I have subscribed to everybody who subscribed to me. So yeah, let me know who you are and if you are a part of this family, so I can come back and support you and show love to your channel as well. I'm all about supporting each and every person, and just growing, all of us growing together. So let me know down below in the comments if you are a part of this family. And yeah, I would love to come back to your channel and subscribe back and check your content out, and be there for you as well. Thank you for the love, you guys. Thank you for the support. And I just thank God for all his wonderful blessings and graces that he have given me, and for keep on telling me to keep moving with my channel and keep going forward, because there's so much things that my content is actually bringing forth to other people, to allow them to open up doors for them to be able to share with other people and be like a mentor, be just give out the testimony. It's opening up doors for giving out information to help somebody else that's in trouble, in need. I'm just so thankful that I'm being able to put something out there that's very helpful and useful to other people. And I pray that you guys continue finding information in my channel, and useful information in my channel, and just joy in my channel from me and my family. We just want to bring joy, love, peace, and happiness, and just motivation, and just so much more. So there is so much more to come, so much more that God is putting in this mind of mine that's always busy, always thinking, always overworking, sometimes driving me crazy, so that I can put together and give out to you guys, and just send love and information and just blessings to you guys. And yeah, just stay tuned, you guys, and don't forget to like this video, give me a comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.